Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about the vowel I and its sound. Okay, do you know the sound of vowel I? Anong sound ng letter I? Ang sound ng letter I ay I, I, I. Okay, I. Okay, vowel I. Alright, so I will give you some examples of the vowel I. First is Indian. I, Indian. Alright, can you see the letter I there? I, Indian. Alright, ang Indian po ay nag-start sa letter I. Indian. Very good. Next is injection. Okay. Na-injection na po ba kayo? Okay. Injection. Ang injection po ay nag-start sa letter I. Very good. Injection. Next. What's this? Igloo. Igloo. All right. Igloo starts also with letter I. Yes. Next. This one. What's this? Can you read that one? Ink. Okay, let's read that. Ink. Ink. All right. Ink starts with letter I. And lastly, what's this? Do you know what this is? It is an iguana. Iguana. All right. Iguana starts also with letter I. Iguana. So again, what is the sound of letter I? Alright. Sige, pwede ba nating i-write ang letter I sa ating air, yung big letter I? Okay, vertical line, horizontal line, and horizontal line. How about the small letter I? Vertical line and period. Alright. That is the vowel I and its sound. So let's do our activity for this day. Thank you.